Hi, my name is Jeff Fastbinder with Align, and today we're going to look inside the contents of the new Trex 700N DFC Super Combo. As you can see, this is the package that you'll see at your local hobby retailer, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open this up and see what's inside and what we need and what is included. So let's take a look. Let's go ahead and open this up. Pull out the cutter here. Alright, pull back the box. You can see a host of compartmentalized boxes here. Let's go ahead and pull out the electronics. Canopy box here. And main rotor head set, and also there at the very bottom of the box are some nicely cut frames here, some carbon fiber frames, so right and left frames. And let's see, I think we have one more box, quite a few boxes, and our main blades components. So let's look at each box individually. And that way you can see what's actually included with the new Trex 700N DFC Super Combo Kit. Go ahead and put that aside. And we'll start off with looking at the electronic device box here, what's included. Go ahead and open this up, and we'll see what we have there. Alright, within the electronic device box, as it's packaged with your Trex 700N DFC kit, you notice you'll have 3 of the Align DS615 servos. Those are digital high torque servos. It's for your cyclic control, as well as the DS655 for tail. Also notice that it comes with 3 aluminum horns and plastic horns on the rotor tail control. In addition to that, you also have a sensor here for your governor that plugs into your 3GX, as well as the Align 2-in-1 regulator here. So that's all included within the package there. So you have a total of 4 servos, the sensor for the governor, as well as the 2-in-1 regulator in the electronic device box. So go ahead and put those aside. You have servos, everything you need there. And then we'll take a look at the canopy box here and the contents of that. And right off you'll see new gas tank there. Beautiful canopy, pre-painted for you, wrapped up nicely here. It's the new Trex 700N DFC canopy. Very vivid, very good contrast in the sky. Looks like a great canopy there. Let's go ahead and put that here for you. See that? There's this box there. Hold that up. I think it comes with the towel for when you're assembling your helicopter. And you have some frame components, the lower base of your helicopter, your skid set. Comes with the skid dampener, or rubber stops, whatever you like to call those. The front tray area there for the radio components, right here in this bag. And also you have the auto rotation unit with the main gear and the actual tail drive gear. Both of them are helical cut inside this bag here. You got your carbon tail fins, your tail blades, You got your total tail unit here, all packaged up, really nice, tail blades. Then you got your support equipment like grease for your one-way bearings. You also have green and blue Loctite provided, or anaerobic. You have your links for your swash rotor head system, zip ties, blade holder, and some Velcro straps for receivers and other types of hardware that you'll be sticking on your radio tray here. And in addition, you have your manual, user's manual, which goes through the step-by-step assembly process. So we'll go ahead and that's what's included in this particular box here. It's called the canopy. I'll leave the canopy out, but I'll put this stuff aside, and that way you get to see basically all the contents of what's here. And then when we do the build, we'll be familiar with the items as they come with the kit. Alright. Now we're going to take a look at the main rotor head set, which includes a 3GX box right at the top. And comes with a bunch of sub-packages here. One of them is the new Trex 700N. This is the DFC swash plate included within this bag. And it also comes with the main shaft with a bunch of shims for use with the bearing blocks when you're adjusting the free play or end play as far as in the rotor head assembly when it's fully built, your helicopter. Next, inside this box, you have the new DFC rotor head, which has the pitch link arms pre-attached to the grips here. You'll need to Loctite all these items when you do the final assembly, and you want to make sure that you actually grease the bearings and so forth, which I will cover in the build, but I just want to give you an idea of what is actually included within the package here. Also of note is the fan shroud. This goes around your actual fan unit to cool your engine. You'll notice that there is a bearing block that holds the clutch, the pinion assembly. Of note on the pinion itself, it is a helical cut gear, and that's for use with the auto rotation gear as I showed you previously. It is helical both on the main drive side as well as on the tail on the auto rotation side. It has a clutch valve. It's fluted or cut in, CNC cut there. It's actually help keep the components cool. You have your clutch and the actual flywheel assembly all put together there for you. You'll need to go through and of course, go through and basically Loctite these items, but again, it's all included in the pack for you, ready to go. Next is a bag that we have here. It has the main bearings as well as the control arms for your aileron and pitch, or basically your cyclic controls. Also has the rudder component slider that goes on the side of the frame of your carbon frames. The elevator A-arm goes up to your swash. You also have the engine block component here that bolts onto your frame. You bolt your engine to, and some spacers inside for the frame that actually go between the back of the frame to give support to the boom supports that go onto the tail shaft. So that's all in this one little bag here, nicely packaged. And the last component within this box is the tail housing. This controls your tail. It supplies the torque and the drivetrain through your torque tube. And again, these are helical cut gears. You'll notice that on this unit. It's hard to see in the bags here, but what I'll do on the build, when I pull these out, you'll be able to see these more clearly, and also give you the items as we do the build. But just want to give you an idea of what, again, is in the package. So as far as what you need to get your helicopter going, it will require one additional servo for the throttle. It will require one 2-cell LiPo battery, which Align does have. It's a 1900 milliamp battery. And in addition to that, you'll need to decide on what power system you plan to power your new Trex 700 Nitro DFC with. Whether it be a 90 or a 105 or a 120. It's completely up to you. We do have options as far as gearing and so forth. So depending on which size engine you're running will depend on what your needs are. The stock configuration does come with the 8:0 ratio, and again, if you need to change that to your particular engine type, we do have that available. And inside the 3GX box, I just want to point out to you what's included in there. You got your 3GX unit. It comes with the USB connector to hook up to your computer for programming if you would like to change the parameters outside of the stock default, which are very good. You also use your 3GX to plug in your governor, and it has these ports right here on the side of the 3GX that you'll plug your actual sensor into. So that's an added bonus because you have your governor function in addition to the 2-in-1 regulator. You have wires for hooking up either your receiver or using S-Bus or jumper cable, depending on what radio system you're using. You also have some double stick tape, as well as the software that's included right here on this micro disc here, and you can use that on any PC computer, and that should work out fine for you. And that's the contents of what's inside the box here. When we do the build, I will have those things available, and that way you can see what it is you'll need when you're assembling the helicopter. But right now we're just looking at the contents and what's included with your kit. Also included with your kit, this is the last box here. Protect your items. You got a set of rotor blades, 3G rotor blades. So they're 690s, nicely packaged here for you. And you get your choice of either an aluminum or carbon boom. It comes with 2 booms, and also has the torque tube in here, as well as the boom supports and your tail drive control. So that's all in this bag here. So as you can see, I mean, it's a very robust, comprehensive package, and pretty much everything you need to get started flying nitro machines, minus your engine, 2 cell LiPo battery, and 1 throttle servo. Aside from that, the Super Combo Kit comes with everything you need, be it servos for cyclic, rudder, the 2-in-1 regulator, as well as onboard glow capability of the 2-in-1 by the simple press of the button for starting your helicopter. So if you have any further questions, please feel free to contact me at jeff@alignrcusa.com, or simply use our website at www.align.com.tw. My name is Jeff Fassbinder, and thank you for watching.